Can you guess which summer month made online sellers the most sales in 2023? June, July, or August? Want a clue? Lucky for you, I've got a rainbow full of them. That's right, it's June. Hey there, it's Leah, and at Printify, we love Pride. It's colorful, it's inspiring, it's important, and it sells. In fact, in the POD world, it's the highest selling holiday after Halloween and Christmas. So this year, make sure to add this amazing summer sales event to your calendar. Here are 5 Pride Month niches you still have time to create designs for before it's too late. Also, did I mention our brand new monthly raffle you can enter to win store credit? Don't worry, I'll tell you all about that too. But for more trending niche ideas and chances to win awesome prizes, subscribe to Printify. Whether you identify as LGBTQIA or express love in another way, Pride is all about being able to celebrate your unique identity in a safe space. And the best part is, your products can help. So try creating designs for everyone under the big rainbow umbrella like these sellers did. Not only will you appeal to more buyers, you'll also remind them that representation matters. Equal rights for all doesn't end at being able to love and identify as you choose. That's why Pride Month is also about acknowledging support for other marginalized groups. By the way, if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to support us by giving it a like. Take a look at how these sellers combine motifs from other movements with Pride themes. And keyword competition for words like inclusive gift is low, but combining high-searched, low-competition words like non-binary and Black Lives Matter can help you get more conversions by targeting a very specific audience. Now's the perfect time to help amplify other important voices and your sales at the same time. Not only have drag-themed shows brought reality TV back from the dead, they've done important work to help raise awareness about trans rights and bodily autonomy. Fans of shows like Drag Race now look to queens in order to feel empowered and resilient. That's why designs that incorporate drag culture's confident aesthetic are really popular. But just like any other celebrity or TV show, don't use any copyrighted material without permission. Each year, World Pride is celebrated on June 28th, an anniversary of the Stonewall Riots in 1969. A reminder that at its core, Pride is still as much a protest as it is a celebration. That's why queer activism and being an ally are important themes for buyers during June. And with only moderate competition for keywords like Pride Ally, there's a demand for designs that support specific causes or call for solidarity in general. Speaking of support, we need a little of that too, especially to make better videos for you. Fill out a quick survey at the end of our video to enter our monthly raffle and win store credit. Click the link in the description to let us know how we're doing and what else you'd like to see. Help us be the best ally we can to help you succeed with print on demand. You'd be surprised how many Pride products use this theme in their designs. From giraffes, frogs, dogs, koalas, to even dinosaurs, it's clear that animals are gay. They help us symbolize how important individualism and diversity are to feeling like you belong. And look how cute they are! I can't help myself, and neither will your customers. So try out animal-themed designs for Pride this year, and make sure you pause for profits. Looking for even more niche ideas to keep your sales consistent after June? Then make sure your store is stocked with products for the 4th of July. But if you don't have anything on your shelves for Independence Day yet, in this video, Talish walks you through some 4th of July niches to get you started. Check out that video now to get started and help your buyers have the best summer ever.